How to create professional charts presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional charts presentation in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is just go to PowerPoint. Now go to the top here and click on presentations. Now after you click on presentations, it will take you to this page directly. Now all what you have to do to create your charts presentation is go into the category here and search for charts. Click on charts. Now here you will find the templates. Choose your template that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click create, and you can edit everything right now here. You can change the text and everything as I said. It's very easy to edit. As you can see, you can insert your chart and the title and everything. After you finish, click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe.